She's the littlest one in the family. My grandma has 2 baby chicks. She's the littlest one in the family. I got big
tiny one.
It's all coming down here.
It's a lamb.
All right, let's trade with our friends.
No, it's a sheep. It's a lamb.
It's a little baby lamb for right now. They'll call him a sheep when he gets bigger.
Can I keep it?
What? Yeah. What is that? A little bit grumpy. Now you can see Mr. Lou, he's really big and tall and strong, so I have him holding the front of the donkey, and then I'm standing back here by his back legs. In case he decided to kick, I would be able to stop him from kicking, or I would be able to protect you guys from him. That's why we're standing like this. He still has to learn. Very good. You guys are being very good listeners.
It's kicking.
Do you guys ever have little baby brothers or little baby sisters and they kind of have a temper tantrum sometimes? Yeah. That's kind of what baby animals can do sometimes too. He's okay. He was doing this last time.
Oh my God.
This is good for him.
Which animal was your favorite that you saw today?
Eggs.
The eggs?
Yeah. Horse.
And why do you like that one?
I love
Okay.
chicken.
Why do you like the chickens? Why do you like them?
You're so cute. You're like a baby.
Why do you like the horses?
Because they're cute.
Do you have a horse?
My grandma has 3, and my grandma has 3 little horse kids. The bunny.
And why do you like the bunny?
It was nice and soft.
Okay. Do you have any bunnies of your own?
No.
Okay. Anybody else?
Me.
All right. I'll start with you. What was your favorite animal?
Donkey.
Why, the baby or the mom? Why do you like that one?
Because they're cute.
Yeah. Have you ever seen a donkey before?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got some too.
Oh, okay. You want to go?
I like the chicks.
And what do you like about the chicks?
Because it's
Feathers on it.
Okay.
I can feel their bright hair.
Yeah. All right, you want to go? What was your favorite? What do you like about the pony?
He might take you, but it won't hurt.
Because it's so cute.